my loves, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing super well and happy new year. This is officially my first video of 2018 and I am so excited for the new year. Please also let me apologize for my attire. I am very badly sunburnt and this pajama dress is literally all that I can wear right now. I was meant to get another video up before the end of last year, but so much was happening that I did not get the chance to. I didn't get to say a few things that I wanted to say to you guys. Basically, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to all of you for continuously supporting me and still riding along this journey with me. It has been a good few years, and to all my ride or dies out there, I just want to tell you guys that I am so forever grateful for all of you, and for those of you who have been here since day one, or even those of you who have just joined the family. I appreciate you more than you could ever know. I would not be anywhere, or I would not be here in my life today if it wasn't for you guys, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I would not have the career of my dreams if it wasn't for any of you. So thank you so much. I love you all more than anything in this world, so I just want to say a massive thank you. So it is a brand new year, so brand new videos, new topics, new everything really. So I wanted to kick off the new year with a video kind of talking about our goals and resolutions. I asked you guys on Instagram what you would prefer to see, whether it be a makeup tutorial or creating my vision board. For those of you who don't know what a vision board is, it's basically a board where you pretty much put your goals in images, if that makes sense. So you find photos of things that inspire you or things that you want to achieve, where it be like you want to buy a house this year, you would put a photo of a house. And I guess the purpose of it is kind of manifesting your dreams and your goals. I believe in the power of manifestation more than anything in this world, because if there's one thing I've learned is that if you want something so bad, you can have it. You can have absolutely anything that you want. And especially if you have it in front of you every single day on a board, i.e. a vision board, it just really keeps you headstrong and, you know, straight on the target. If you see it every day, it'll motivate you more and more every single day to achieve it. So I've actually never made a vision board before, but I thought it'd be a good idea to make one this year because my goals this year are a little bit different to usual. Usually my New Year's resolution every year for as long as I can remember was to get healthy, get fit, new year, new me, and I get so emotional every time I think about it, but last year was the first year that I actually did achieve that. So I achieved my goal of being healthy and getting fit. And you know what? I didn't even start from the start of the year. I started mid-year last year, and yeah, still going strong. So I achieved that resolution. So I'm going to continue doing what I've been doing, and you know, it's time for some new resolutions. So my New Year's resolutions this year are to be more confident in myself, to believe in myself, and to know that I can do things, because I do doubt myself a lot and I'm not a very confident person. No matter, you know, a lot of people think that I'm a really confident person, but I guess it's just something that I like to pretend that I am, but deep down inside I'm really not a confident person. I don't believe in myself as much as I should. So I definitely want to be more confident in myself. I also want to put a lot less pressure and not stress myself out over little things, because I'm always just a bubble of stress. I put too much on my plate, and I think that I can do it all, but sometimes it's just not possible. So I definitely want to be a lot more stress-free. I also want to focus more on family. I want to spend more time with my family, both sides, both my husband's side and my side. I want to see more of my family, spend more time with them, and I also want to work on growing my own family. So it feels so weird saying that out loud. But yeah, that's definitely a goal for this year as well. Maybe not at the start, but maybe further on in the year. I also want to do more renovations to my house. For those of you who do know or did watch my house tour video, you know, I love to renovate our house. There's so much that we want to do, so I want to do as much as possible this year. I also want to travel, so another huge goal of mine, and has been for as long as I can remember, since I was a child, is I want to travel to the USA. I've been to the US before, I've been to LA, but I want to do a proper tour. I mean, a proper trip, not work related. and I want to go to Disneyland, Disney World specifically actually. I have been wanting to go to Disney World for as long as I can remember, and I've always said to myself, I am not making huge plans in my life. I'm not having kids until I go to Disney World. So that hopefully will happen this year, hopefully mid-year. We're thinking around June, July. But yeah, that is another massive goal for this year. And I also, this isn't really major, but I really want to grow out my hair. I hate my short hair. I know a lot of you like it because I get so many messages about it, but I hate my short hair. I didn't cut it because I wanted to. I really just had to because it was just so damaged from bleach. So I would love to just grow out my hair. I think it's great to set goals for yourself, whether it be something big or something small, whether it be something, you know, personal, more in your mindset, or something to physically achieve. I think no matter what it is, a goal is amazing. It's amazing to have something to work towards. I think, you know, it definitely makes you feel more motivated throughout the year. So yeah, I just talked for a little bit too long, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So basically with a vision board, you just get photos, whether you print it off the internet or you cut them out from a magazine, just photos of things that inspire you or things that inspire your journey, things that, you know, photos of, as I said, things that you want to achieve. So yeah, basically what I did was I got some photos of Pinterest and I printed them off, but I've also got some magazines that I want to go through, and cut some pictures out. I think I've talked for a little bit too long, so I'm just going to jump right into it. Oh, and before I jump into it, I would love to know what your goals for 2018 are. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll be replying to all comments. So yeah, let me know what your goals and resolutions are for 2018. Also, if you created your own vision board, I'd love to see it. I see now that you can post images in the comments, so post your vision boards. I would absolutely love to see, or even tag me on Instagram, because I always see like the tags and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to jump right into it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So to start off, I've just got my cork board. Just got this from the reject shop. Got a bunch of magazines here. I've got some photos that I've printed off of Pinterest. And yeah, so now I'm just going to cut some things out and put them on the board. But while I do this, I'll have a voiceover telling you guys what each thing kind of means. So yeah. So first off, I'm just starting with cutting up the images that I've printed off. I got most of these off of Pinterest. I started with a quote, and so the adventure begins, because 2018 is a new adventure. I've also got a few images of different makeup looks. They're more around the more natural kind of looks. I guess that's just my vibe this year. I'm really loving more natural, glowy makeup looks. I've got an image with a girl with long hair, because one of my goals is to grow my hair long. I've got a picture of Beverly Hills, because I would love to travel back to LA this year. And also a picture of a girl at Disneyland, because, you know, in my mind, that girl is me. I'll be at Disneyland mid-year. I've also got a quote, "I am healthy and filled with energy," to remind myself to be grateful for my health and to just remember I am filled with energy. It's just in my mindset. I've got a quote about family. I've got a desk, a really organized, pretty looking desk, to remind myself to constantly be organized, because that's something I struggled with last year. I've got a quote, "Actually, I can," to remind myself that I can do anything that I put my mind to. I've got an image as well of a like a backyard, like with like an outdoor lounge set, just for some inspo of like the way I want to do my backyard, because as I mentioned earlier, we are renovating. I've got a few different quotes as well. Some of them read, "The hardest step she ever took was to blindly trust in who she was." "Take the risk or lose the chance." Haven't added that one just yet because I'm just reading it off my board right now, but you will see that shortly. "Start from nothing, stop for nothing." Refresh. There's also another one that reads, "Collect a beautiful moments." Yeah, so later on I also add a few images from a project that I'm working on to remind myself that dreams do come true. But yeah, so I didn't staple most of them on straight away because it took some time to rearrange it all. You'll also notice that there's a color vibe happening, lots of dusty pinks and like different pink tones and red tones. That's kind of the vibe that I'm feeling this year as well. I want to incorporate those colors into my Instagram feed this year as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my vision board of 2018. Let me know your thoughts down below. I love it. It's sitting in front of me right now as I do this voiceover, and it's so inspiring. So Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'd love to see your vision boards, and as I mentioned earlier, I'd love to know what your goals and New Year's resolutions are. So let me know in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on this vision board. Also show me your vision boards. Tag me on Instagram at Heidi Makeup Artist, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Take care.